Okay, let's go over polynomials, solving equations, and equalities. Joe subtracted this polynomial from this polynomial. So remember, subtracted from or added to, we have to flip these expressions around. So we're going to flip this trinomial to the end, and we're going to flip this trinomial to the beginning, and we are subtracting. Yes, you do need parentheses, so I have negative x squared plus x minus 10, subtract negative 3x squared minus 5x plus 8. So I can dissolve these parentheses, and I have negative x squared plus 1x minus 10. Then I'm going to distribute this negative to each of these terms, turning all of these to their opposite. So we get plus 3x squared plus 5x minus 8. Now we simply combine like terms. So our quadratic term is going to be 2x squared. Our linear term is going to be 6x. And then our constant is minus 18. We have a quadratic trinomial. Number 2, we're solving for x, so let's go through and see the order of operations if we knew the value of x. It is being multiplied, subtracted, divided, then added. So we're going to go in the opposite order and undo each operation in the opposite order. So we're going to subtract 4 from both sides. This gives us 2x minus 6 divided by 3 is equal to 8. We're going to undo the division by multiplying both sides by 3. This gives us 2x minus 6 equals 24. We're going to add 6 to both sides. We get 2x is equal to 30. We're going to divide by 2, and our one solution is 15. This is the only value that if we plugged in here for x, it would make this left side equal 12. Now let's solve graph and use interval notation for this inequality. So we have division and then adding. So we're going to go backward. Let's subtract 8 from both sides. Then we're going to undo division by multiplying. Now I'm going to put a big star to remind us, because we're multiplying or dividing by a negative, we have to flip around the inequality. So x is greater or equal to 28. We're going to use a number line to show the solution so we can write interval notation very easily. Our boundary number is 28. We call this closed because of the equal sign, so x can be 28. And then we're going to shade the upper end because my solutions are also greater. So when we write interval notation, we're going to start and just follow the shading. So because this is included, it's closed, we use a bracket. 28, comma, represents all the shading, infinity, and then parenthesis. And I hope this helps.